Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I am going to tell you how to install Apache Maven on Windows 10. You can also follow these steps to install Maven on different Windows. Let's start. First we will check whether Maven is already installed on your system or not. For that, open the command prompt. Either you can use start or you can use run and type mvn-version. This command tells the version of installed Maven in the system. As we can see that Maven is not recognized. This means it is not installed. We can download Maven from Apache Foundation website. You will find the URL in description box. So the latest version of the Maven when I am recording this video is 3.6.3. For Windows, we will be downloading zip file of binary distribution. You can click on this link and Maven starts downloading. I have already downloaded one. You can also download Maven old releases in the archive repository. So we can have multiple older versions in the archive repository. I have already downloaded one, the latest 3.6.3. We will extract this zip file. You can use 7-zip, WinR, WinZip or Windows proprietary to extract this zip file. I have used 7-zip. As you can see, I have extracted this zip file. Now we will set the environment variable for Maven. For that, go to System Properties. On the left panel, you will be seeing Advanced System Settings. Go to Environment Variable and here you will be seeing two options, User Variable and System Variable. Basic difference between user variable and system variable is that if you set the environment variable in user variables, then it will be to the current user only, and if you set the environment variable for system variable, then it will be for all the users inside Windows. So I will be setting in system variable. Click on new and give the variable name in capital letters maven_home and the path of the Maven which is in your Windows. You have to give path till Apache Maven folder. We will copy this path, paste it here, press OK. Now we have an environment variable for Maven home, but still we have to set it into environment variables, system variables. Go to path. You will be finding a path name variable in system variables. Go to edit, click on new and type &maven_home &/bin. What does it mean? &maven_home & will fetch the value of the system variable which we have created few seconds ago, and it will append /bin with it. We will click on OK. Press OK and OK. Now we will check again Maven is installed or not on our system. So for that we will not use the existing command prompt because it will not reflect the changes of recent system variables. So we will be opening a new command prompt and we'll type again mvn-version It is resolving maven, that's why it will take some time. So we can see that Apache Maven 3.6.3 is installed in our system, means it is set to the environment variable. We can see the maven home location, we can see the Java version location, the locale and the Windows version. For installing maven, it is required to have Java. If you haven't installed Java in your system, you can follow my video to install Java. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you are new, subscribe the channel, hit the like button, share this video and hit the bell icon for more videos. Bye bye.